Hello grade 6 students and welcome to our lesson for today, which is Song, Part 2 from Module 6. To be able to follow me, please get your students' books ready on pages 67 and 131, your workbooks on page 59, and as usual, don't forget to bring your pen and a blank sheet of paper to take notes when needed. As usual, you need to know why you're watching this video. In other words, you need to know what the learning objectives of this lesson are. In fact, they are not objectives. It's only one objective, which is how to use ing forms correctly. Ready? So, let's start. Bring your student's book and open it on page 67 because we're going to have some work on this text. So, let's look at this text. Do you remember it from last lesson? Okay, we're going to underline all words with the suffix ing in this text. Let's start with these two verses. Let's have a read of the first two lines. In the spring, I go trekking. It's the best time to go. So, where are the words that have the suffix ing? It's trekking. Yes, trekking. Someone may ask me, why not spring? It's a word ending in ing. Yes, it ends in ing, but here ing is not a suffix. If we remove ing, so we are left with the word spr, which is not a word. But if we delete ing from trekking, we are left with the word trek, which is the word. Now, pause the video and underline all the words with the suffix ing in these two verses. Back again to check. We have looking, seeing, scuba diving, swimming. So, let's focus on the words that goes before these words. We have go, have like, go again, and love. Take notes of these words highlighted in yellow. Now it's time to move on to the remaining two verses and follow the same procedures in order to underline all the words with the suffix ing. Let's read the first two lines together. In the autumn, I go mountain biking on a trail through the trees. So, where are the words that end in ing? Thank you. It's mountain biking. Now, it's your turn. Pause the video till you finish underlining all the remaining words with the suffix ing in these two verses. Back again to check. The words that you should get are snowboarding, jumping, and the last one is wearing. Good. Now let's look at the words that come before them. We have go again. Again we have go. Here we have good at, and the last one wearing We don't have anything before it. It's the beginning of the sentence. Now it's time to go to page 131, grammar reference. We need to focus on this part and read it carefully. Let's read it together. It's Module 6, ing forms. We use ing forms in 5 cases. First one is as subjects of verbs. That means it comes in the beginning of a sentence, like the word wearing that you have just underlined. For example, drinking a lot of water is good for you. The second case is after certain verbs like, love, enjoy, hate. So, after these verbs, we use the ing form. For example, I hate watching TV. The third case is after prepositions like at. For example, I'm good at cooking. I'm bad at mountain biking. The fourth case is after some expressions like can't stand. For example, I can't stand skiing. And someone may ask now, what's the meaning of can't stand? Can't stand means something like hate, don't like. So if I say I can't stand skiing, it means I don't like skiing. The last case in our lesson is after the verb go to indicate activities like swimming, shopping, fishing, scuba diving, and so on. So again, we are with the student's book, but this time we go back to the lesson, page 67, because we need to drill this piece of information by reading the look box. Let's read it together. Playing tennis is my favorite free time activity. Here it comes as a subject of the sentence. Next, my cousins go canoeing every summer. Who can tell me the case here? Thank you. It's the ing form after go to indicate an activity. Number 3, start doing your homework. Start is one of the verbs that are followed by the ing forms. My brother hates or can't stand snowboarding. Jake likes, enjoys, or loves mountain biking. The last one, Tom is good at or bad at water skiing. So we have here go, start, hates or can't stand, likes, enjoys, or loves. We have also good at or bad at. These are cases that are followed by ing forms. Assessment time. We go to the workbook, page 59, because we're going to work on these 2 exercises, exercise 2 and 3, to check if we got the benefit from our lesson today or not. Exercise 2. Look at the table and answer the questions with love, if you see that star with this face, like or enjoy, if you see that smiley star, can't stand, if you see one sad star, and hate, if you see 2 sad stars. On this table, we have 4 groups of people. We have Majid and Ali, Ahmed, Jasim, and Hassan. Also, we have 4 activities: snowboarding, water skiing, swimming, and mountain biking. So, let's have a look at number 1 to study in order to follow. Let's analyze number 1 together. The question is, who can't stand snowboarding? So the target sport here is snowboarding. And we need to find who can't stand. That means one sad face. So we say that it's Hassan. So Hassan can't stand snowboarding. Now, it's time to pause the video to answer the remaining questions following the same procedures or the same strategy. Back again to check. Number 2. Who hates water skiing? Again, we go to water skiing and we need to find the face of hate. It's 2 sad faces. Where are they? Here you go. So, who hates water skiing? Thank you. It's Jasim. Jasim hates water skiing. Number 3. Who likes or enjoys swimming? We go to swimming and we need to find likes or enjoys. That means one smiley face. Here it is. Ahmed likes or enjoys swimming. Good job. Number 4. Who loves mountain biking? We go to mountain biking and we need to find that face that expresses love. So the answer is Majid and Ali loves mountain biking. Now it's time to move to exercise 3. Look at the pictures and complete the sentences with the verbs in brackets in the ing form. Let's do number 1 as a model to follow. Number 1. Hank is bad at, and the verb in brackets is water ski. So we have bad at. So bad at should be followed with the verb ing, which is water skiing. So we used water ski plus ing because of bad at. Now it's time to pause the video in order to finish the remaining items. Back again to check. Number 2. Matt and Tim go snowboard every winter. Thank you so much. It's snowboarding. Number 3. Amy, let's start. Cook. I'm hungry. So after start, we have ing. So Amy, let's start cooking. I'm hungry. And the last one is I enjoy. Mountain bike, it becomes mountain biking. Thank you so much. At the end of this lesson, I hope you have learned something. Thank you so much and see you next time.